Indeed, but I'm going to rain on your parade pretty quickly, so enjoy. We'll do for many other parts of the British Isles through the course of this afternoon. The big picture really tells the tale. You see the sunshine away to the south. Further to the north, the weather front is making slow but steady progress in towards particularly that northwestern corner of Scotland. Some pretty wet and windy weather to come there, so let's try and avoid it for as long as we can. Get down into the southeast, where here we might just squeeze the odd light shower, but for many of you, a dry and fine afternoon. Perhaps a wee bit more cloud than perhaps you saw through this morning, and that could well be the case across the moors and the tors as well. But not too much in the way of breeze here, so 20, 21, possibly even 22, where you keep the sunshine and avoid the cloud. Similar sort of prospect as we cross the Bristol Channel, and again just the chance of enough cloud coming in over the Cambrians, perhaps the Brecon Beacons, for the odd light shower, but essentially a lot of fine and dry weather. But you've seen the shape of things to come already, and the shape of that front there, wherever you're spending the afternoon, not a particularly cold one by any means. The temperature's just above the seasonal average. But as I take you on through the evening, you'll notice that this front makes some progress down across Scotland into Northern Ireland, and eventually by the small hours of Friday, it eventually ends up there across the northern parts of England and into northern and western Wales. To the south of it, a relatively mild night in prospect, something slightly cooler away to the north across Scotland. So let me now take you on. This is around about commuting time for you, I suspect, as we get on into Friday. Quite a thick band of cloud here across the southwest, thick enough as we get into central and southern parts of Wales for some moderate bursts of rain there over towards the western facing slopes, but elsewhere it'll just be the odd bit and piece on the breeze. But come away towards the Isle of Man, into Northern Ireland, to much of Scotland, well, a drier and finer prospect here. Perhaps just enough cloud again across the far north of Scotland, but for some shower activity there, pushed in on still quite a stiff northwesterly wind. And notice that the wind has gone into the northwest, so it will feel a little bit cooler, a little bit fresher. But there will be some sunshine across northern part of England until we get into the southern part of Yorkshire, when we run back under that weather front, and you can just about join the dots for some rain there across East Anglia and the East Midlands. But the sunshine still hanging on there determinedly in the first part of the day in the southeast of England. But you see again into the Friday afternoon, we bring that frontal system down towards the south, following on behind those cooler, fresher conditions with some sunny spells, but the chance of 1 or 2 showers as well. Forget all about that weather system. By Saturday, I'm bringing another one into the north of Scotland, so wet and windy conditions there, but as you come a little bit further south, there's some dry weather